Hello friends, welcome to Voice of Asad. Today I will share most important general knowledge questions that came in various examinations. The first question, World Trade Organization was established in, the options are 1990, 1980, 1985, 1995. So the answer of this question is 1995. Question number 2. The North Atlantic Treaty was signed in, the options are 1945, 1947, 1949, 1951. So the answer of this question is 1949. Which country on the map of world appears as long shoe? The options are Portugal, Hungary, Italy, Greece. The answer of this question is Italy. Question number 4. OIC changed its name from Organization of Islamic Conference to Organization of Islamic Cooperation in, the options are 1991, 1999, 2001, 2011. So the answer to this question is 2011. Question number 5. The headquarter of Greenpeace International is located in, the options are Amsterdam, Lisbon, Geneva, Austria. The answer of this question is Amsterdam. Question number 6. 3 May is observed internationally as, the options are Earth Day, Press Freedom Day, Environment Day, Labor Day. So the answer of this question is Press Freedom Day. Question number 7. Suez Canal is between, the options are Mediterranean Sea and North Sea, Red Sea and North Sea, Arabian Sea and Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. So the answer of this question is Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Question number 8. The Permanent Secretariat of SAARC is located in, the options are New Delhi, India, Kathmandu, Nepal, Colombo, Sri Lanka, Islamabad, Pakistan. So the answer of this question is Kathmandu, Nepal. Question number 9. Yellow Sea lies between, the options are America and Canada, Norway and Sweden, England and France, China and Korea. The answer of this question is China and Korea. 10th question. 22nd April is observed internationally as, the options are Earth Day, Press Freedom Day, Environment Day, Labor Day. So the answer of this question is Earth Day. Question number 11. French Revolution began in, the options are 1789, 1790, 1791, 1792. So the answer of this question is 1789. Question number 12. In which year New Zealand government granted unqualified right of vote to women? The options are 1873, 1883, 1893, 2004. The answer of this question is 1893. Question number 13. To which country Christopher Columbus did belong? The options are Spain, England, Italy, Rome. So the answer of this question is Italy. Question number 14. Bostan Tea Party is associated with the options are Battle of Bunker Hill, American Independence, Civil War, Abraham Lincoln. So the answer of this question is American Independence. Question number 15. 2018 FIFA World Cup football was hosted by. The options are Italy, Argentina, Russia, Spain. So the answer of this question is Russia. Question number 16. Who is called the father of history? The options are Aristotle, Socrates, Herodotus, Plato. So the answer of this question is Herodotus. Is Britain. Question number 18. Which of the following country is Tricontinental country? The options are Chad, Portugal, Mali, Japan. The answer of this question is Portugal. Question number 19. Which is the world's highest lake? The options are Lake Titicaca, Lake Victoria, Lake Tana, none of these. So the answer of this question is Lake Titicaca. Question number 20. The capital of Thailand is. The options are Bishkek, Bangkok, Bohana, none of these. So the answer of this question is Bangkok. Thank you for watching. Kindly mention your marks in comment below. Do share with your friends and do not forget to like and subscribe.